Good morning. Starting the bike ride. Today is Thursday, March 11th, 2021. Another very windy day. Started the bike ride at 53 minutes after 10. I'm riding the Canyon Endurace CFSLX bike today. If you can hear me in the wind. Speaking of the weather, temperature is about 75 degrees. Wind is out of the south at 15 miles an hour, gust to 23 miles an hour. That's at Bush Intercontinental Airport, which is about 10 miles away. A little more sun than yesterday. I left the windbreaker jacket at home, wearing a long sleeve, just regular long sleeve jersey and a short sleeve jersey. It didn't make it to the upper 70s yesterday, but it might today. Today's route is going to be north to New Caney, through Tavola, back through Valley Ranch and Oakhurst. Probably 34 miles. I'm in Woodridge Forest, turning right onto Windward Meadow Drive. A little more sun coming through the clouds today than there was yesterday. I'm just plenty warm today, comfortable even in the wind. Now, when I head back in south from Tavola, I may change my tune because I'll be going into the headwind then. Riding west on Martin Drive, west of Loop 494. I rode north on Kelly Road, past Brooklyn Trails, crossed over the railroad tracks on Martin Drive. I'm on my way to the US 59, I-69 northbound frontage road up ahead. So far, when I'm riding north, the wind has been very helpful. I don't think it'll remember that. I think it'll extract its dues when I head south. I'm stopped at Grand Parkway and US 59 frontage road. So juggle the camera around. Riding north on the US 59 frontage road, going over Caney Creek Bridge. Up ahead I'll turn right, cross the railroad tracks into Tavola. So far the wind has been a tailwind, but I'm nearing the turnaround point where I don't think that's going to be the case. Just went under US 59 on Roman Forest Boulevard, riding south on the US 59 I-69 frontage road, headed to FM 1485. So far the wind isn't super bad, but the concrete to my left on the exit ramp probably shields me some. I've stopped at the Montgomery County annex along the US 59 frontage road, and I have a flat tire on the front. I'll have to look at it and see if I can figure out what the problem is. Well, to fix the flat tire, it was on the front tire was a piece of rock, I guess sharp rock, that got it. Fortunately, my glue and my patch kit had just enough left for that one patch. So it's time now is 12:50. Riding southwest on Valley Ranch Parkway. They're doing a lot of utility work here. Back at the intersection of Valley Ranch and Grand Parkway, there was a company installing fiber optic cable for PS Lightwave to connect all the New Caney ISD schools. The wind is pretty strong. Thank goodness for those trees to the left. I'm underneath US 59, I-69 and Kingwood Drive. Getting ready to make the U-turn. There's traffic coming through. Clears out. Riding east in South Woodland Hills, Kingwood, South Woodland Hills Village. I don't remember the name of the street, although I've been on it a gazillion times. Wind is not showing me much mercy today on the way back to Kingwood.